Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford C-Max generation year 2012 to year 2019, and if you need to find the fuse for the brake light switch, also known as stop light switch, stay with us, we'll cover that today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So you guys have three fuse boxes in your Ford C-Max. The first one is under the hood, guys. One is inside the vehicle, kind of like underneath behind the glove box, and one is in the trunk. The one that we need is the one under the hood. Okay, right here, that's the one that we'll be working on. So we need to remove that cover. Okay, here you have one thing that you push up, then you kind of like wiggle it a little bit, it will come out. It's very limited room. What we have here now, guys, okay, the layout of these fuses, if you hold it that way, corresponds to what we have specifically here. So that way, if you need a specific fuse number, you can find it that way. And the fuse that we need to check, okay, for the brake light switch, guys, okay, but before we continue, let me tell you, we have a special video, okay, about brake light switch replacement, location, and why brake lights do not work on Ford C-Max. So make sure you check it out if you have problems still after checking the fuse. So the fuse that we need to check is fuse number 21. Okay, this one right here. So if you come right here, that's fuse number 21, 5 amp fuse, guys. That fuse right here is for the brake lights. So check it out if something's not working right. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.